From ancient water-powered saws to modern mechanical giants, the world of timber processing pushes the boundaries of engineering excellence. These machines transform raw forest power into precision instruments, each with its own symphony of steel and purpose. Let's dive in as we explore these remarkable machines that are revolutionizing how we work with wood. RaMec Firewood Processor. Straight from the forests of Finland comes the RaMec Firewood Processor, where raw power meets precision engineering. This isn't just another piece of equipment, it's a game changer that's revolutionizing how we tackle timber. Built with that legendary Finnish dedication to quality, the jaws of this mechanical beast descend with surgical precision, transforming logs into perfectly sized firewood in seconds. That satisfying crunch as the blade meets wood, that's the sound of hours of manual labor vanishing into thin air. What sets the RaMec apart is its relentless efficiency. Watch as it powers through hardwood like it's slicing butter. No struggling, no hesitation, just pure, raw performance that'll make you wonder how you ever managed without it. Every cut is clean, every split is precise, and every stack of processed firewood tells the same story. This machine means business. The RaMec doesn't just process firewood, it dominates the task with a kind of mechanical grace that's mesmerizing to watch. For professionals who demand the best, or homeowners tired of breaking their backs, the RaMec isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation of your wood processing game. Centrifugal electric wood splitter. Here's one of the most fascinating pieces of wood splitting technology you'll ever see. The centrifugal electric flywheel splitter. Raw, basic, and incredibly effective. This machine strips away all the fancy hydraulics and complicated mechanisms, replacing them with pure physics and spinning force. At its heart is a massive flywheel that spins at high speed, storing enormous kinetic energy. When the log hits that spinning wheel, the wedge catches and splits the wood apart with explosive force. It's engineering simplicity at its finest. No fancy pressure systems, no complex moving parts, just the unstoppable power of rotational energy doing the heavy lifting. But make no mistake, this isn't a machine for the careless or distracted. One wrong move, one moment of lost focus, and those spinning components won't discriminate between wood and flesh. This is old-school technology that demands old-school respect and attention. The beauty of this splitter lies in its brutal simplicity. No computers, no hydraulic fluid, no complicated maintenance, just a motor, a flywheel, and raw splitting power. It's a reminder that sometimes the most primitive solutions can be the most elegant, even if they do demand unwavering respect from their operators. ChipMax 484B. When it comes to whole tree chippers, CBI's ChipMax 484B stands in a league of its own. The numbers tell the story. This powerhouse churns through wood 50% faster than competing machines, cranking out over 100 tons per hour. That's not just impressive, it's industry-leading performance that transforms your operation's efficiency. Don't let its compact frame fool you. The ChipMax 484B delivers the raw power and reliability that's become CBI's trademark. Every component, every system is engineered for maximum uptime and productivity. No wasted minutes, no unexpected breakdowns, just pure wood processing performance day after day. But here's what truly sets the ChipMax apart. It's not just a machine off an assembly line. CBI builds each unit to match your specific business needs. Your operation is unique, and your chipper should be too. From feed systems to discharge configurations, every ChipMax 484B is purpose-built to maximize your productivity. In the world of industrial wood chipping, the ChipMax 484B isn't just raising the bar, It's completely redefining what's possible. When you need uncompromising performance and reliability, this is the machine that delivers ton after ton, hour after hour. CZP4 AWZM. Meet the Wirex CZP4 AWZM, the sawmill that's redefining timber processing speed. This powerhouse crushes through wood at an astounding 5 cubic meters per hour, and when you add the conveyor system, that number doubles to 10 cubic meters. We're talking industrial-grade efficiency that keeps your costs down and your production up. This beast handles everything from slim logs to hefty rounds up to 550 millimeters in diameter and 4 meters in length. But here's where it gets interesting. 4 cutting heads working in perfect harmony. You've got options. Slice out 1 flitch with matching planks on both sides, or go full throttle with 3 flitches simultaneously. Those pneumatic downholders lock everything in place, delivering cuts so precise they'll make your caliper jealous. Starting with robust 7.5 kilowatt motors, this machine means business right out of the gate. But here's the kicker. You can supercharge it with 4 11 kilowatt motors, or mix it up with 11 kilowatt powerhouses in the middle and 7.5 kilowatt on the sides. It's your production line, your choice. The Wirex CZP4 AWZM isn't just meeting industry standards, it's setting them, one precision cut at a time. WG24 Stump Grinder. The Woodland Mills. WG24 Stump Grinder turns your tractor into a stump-destroying powerhouse. Hook it up to your 3-point hitch, and you're ready to unleash a 24-inch diameter solid steel flywheel armed with 34 tungsten carbide teeth. Those stumps that used to haunt your property? They don't stand a chance. Built for tractors packing 15 to 45 horsepower at the PTO, this beast digs deep. We're talking 6 inches below ground level. It doesn't just remove the stump, it pulverizes the roots and preps your land for whatever comes next, whether that's grading or laying down fresh grass. Here's what makes the WG24 special. It's designed for tractors with independent PTO control. Why does that matter? Because perfect stump grinding is all about balance. You need that grinding wheel spinning at a precise 540 revolutions per minute while separately controlling how fast you're moving through the stump. It's like conducting an orchestra of destruction. The tractor's movement and the PTO speed each playing their own crucial part. This isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for anyone serious about land clearing. The WG24 brings commercial-grade stump removal power to your tractor, turning hours of backbreaking work into a smooth, efficient operation. Cambio 800 Debarker. The Cambio 800 isn't just a debarker. It's an industrial titan that's revolutionizing log processing worldwide. This heavyweight champion tackles logs up to 795 millimeters in diameter, stripping bark with surgical precision at blazing speeds of up to 120 meters per minute. At its core, a monster 75 kilowatt rotor motor drives the operation, while the 15 kilowatt feedwork motor ensures smooth, consistent processing. The triangular feed works grip each log with unwavering control, while carbide-tipped debarking tools, powered by compressed air, deliver flawless results every single time. But what really sets the Cambio 800 apart? It's built like a tank but runs like a dream. Minimal service requirements and ultra-low operating costs make this machine a profit-generating powerhouse for sawmills and log yards across the globe. From the smallest 110mm logs to the giants of the forest, the Cambio 800 processes them all with the same relentless efficiency. The precision engineering behind this machine speaks volumes. A 1.5 kilowatt hydraulic system working in perfect harmony with heavy-duty components to deliver consistent, clean debarking results. The Cambio 800 isn't just meeting industry standards, it's defining them, one log at a time. Komatsu 951XC. The Komatsu 951XC redefines what's possible in a harvester. Built with the same wheel size as its sibling, the 931XC, this powerhouse comes in a surprisingly compact frame. But don't let its size fool you. This machine packs a thunderous 242 kilonewtons of traction force, ready to tackle the toughest forestry challenges. The genius lies in how the 951XC brings everything together. The engine, control system, and transmission work in perfect harmony, creating a harvester that's both nimble and incredibly powerful. Its hydrostatic transmission harnesses every ounce of engine power, while the lowered center of gravity lets it dance through demanding terrain with confident precision. Every detail of the 951XC has been carefully engineered to maximize performance in the most challenging conditions. The compact design doesn't just make it maneuverable, it makes it unstoppable. This isn't just an evolution in harvester design, it's a revolution in forestry efficiency. Power meets precision in the Komatsu 951XC, delivering the perfect balance of strength and agility that modern forestry demands. This machine isn't just raising the bar, it's completely transforming what we expect from a harvester in challenging terrain. Water-powered frame sawmill, deep in Herend, Norway, stands a remarkable piece of living history. A water-powered sawmill that's been slicing through timber since the late 1500s. The rhythmic splash of water and bite of steel against wood still echo through these walls, just as they did nearly 5 centuries ago. Here, master craftsman Johan Haugen keeps this ancient tradition alive. His hands guide the same mechanisms that generations before him used, preserving not just a machine, but an entire craft that time nearly forgot. The saw's distinctive cut, a signature that can't be replicated by modern machinery, makes it invaluable for authentic boat restoration projects. In an age of high-speed automation, this sawmill stands as a testament to the enduring value of traditional craftsmanship. The methods used here aren't just old, they're irreplaceable for those seeking to restore historic vessels with absolute authenticity. Denharco DM4550 De-Limber. The Denharco DM4550 Monoboom De-Limber sets a new standard in forestry efficiency. At its heart, a sophisticated winch and cable drive system responds instantly to your needs, delivering raw power or lightning speed at a moment's notice. With feed speeds hitting 14 feet per second and a rock-solid parking brake system, this machine delivers precision without compromising on performance. The backbone of this beast? A 12-inch by 12-inch monoboom crafted from specialized alloy, engineered to withstand the most punishing conditions while reaching an impressive 45 feet. That's not just reach, that's total control over your sorting and processing operations. The DM4550 handles trees up to 32 inches in diameter, while its delimbing capacity maxes out at a solid 22 inches. When it comes to cutting, this machine means business. The topping saw slices through wood up to 24 inches with 0.404-inch chain, or 25 inches with 3/4-inch pitch. Need more? The carriage butting saw tackles logs up to 34 inches. But it's the smart design features that really set this De-Limber apart. Curtain-style hose hangers and auto-tensioning drive cables aren't just convenient. They're engineering innovations that extend component life and minimize maintenance time. The DM4550 isn't just built to perform, it's built to last. In this dance of steel and timber, each machine writes its own story of innovation and raw power. Whether preserving ancient craftsmanship or pushing the limits of modern technology, these remarkable tools continue to shape the future of forestry, one precise cut at a time. If you want to witness more raw woodworking power, make sure to watch our next videos.